हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो ऑफ व्हाट द वर्ड। आज का हमारा वर्ड है कॉग्निटिव डिसोनेंस। टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड, फर्स्टली विल ब्रेक दिस वर्ड। सो कॉग्निटिव एंड डिसोनेंस. What is cognitive? Cognitive is thinking something with your own intellectual ability. Then we will talk about dissonance. Dissonance refers to lack of agreement between two people, two thoughts, two different ideas, or anything like that. So cognitive dissonance is the internal conflict that is happening over in your mind regarding two different contradictory thoughts. And these two contradictory thoughts can be anything. For example, there are many people who are pet lovers and they are also meat eaters. So these are two different contradictory thoughts that creates a kind of conflict in their mind. That on one hand they are loving their puppies so much and on the other hand they are eating a goat. आज के लिए इतना ही। और अगर कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है और यूनिट 2 के लिए भी सेम कंटेंट चाहिए तो कमेंट में बस 2 लिख के छोड़ दो. I will get your message. Till then, bye bye. Now we have our own application where there is a lot of free content, a lot of free classes, special classes, and we have multiple seminars going on.